Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aguilar and I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial today on how to blow dry your hair and how to get it fabulous. And what makes this a little bit different is I'm going to be using this Blo and Go. It's this amazing little object that attaches to your hair dryer, and then I'm going to be attaching it to my mirror and doing a hair blow dry without having to use your hands holding the hair dryer, which is usually the most annoying part because it's hard to do, and it's like you have your own little stylist holding the hair dryer for you, and you can do it really easy. Let me show you how. Attach the suction cup part and pull the little lever and attach it to your mirror. And nice and sturdy. And then I'm gonna put my hair dryer in here. And it straps in just like that. What you'll need today is some clips. You can get them 99-cent store, or if you already have them, awesome. A paddle brush and a round brush. I like to use this attachment right here. It helps blow dry your hair nice and smooth and makes the air go in a certain way so it doesn't frizz your hair out. Okay, so let's get started. So when you get out of the shower, just towel dry your hair and section it off. And put a clip in it. And this makes it way easier to brush out your hair. So once you have it sectioned off and brushed it out, I start in itty bitty sections. Turn on your hair dryer. Okay, so when you're blow drying your hair, make sure the nozzle is pointed down towards the tips of your hair, not up towards the root of your hair, because that'll make the cuticle of your hair all frizzy, and you don't want that. Make sure you're brushing from the roots of your hair to the tips and keep spinning the brush. Turn, 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 and that'll make everything all shiny. Now I'm doing the back of my hair so I don't get that annoying little crease in the back, that little bump, making sure I get out all the kinks and curls that my hair would naturally dry at. Okay, so now this is nice and straight and silky. Love it. And now we're gonna move on to the top part. Grab your clip and clip your hair back. And then we're gonna start on this part. Section it off of your crown, so you're gonna be doing this middle piece. Twirl, twirl, twirl. That's it. Get it out of the way of the other hair. Let's get started on the middle piece. Brush down your hair, wrap the hair, and spin the brush. Pull down, wrap, and spin. Also, when your hair is wet, before you start blow drying, you can add Moroccan oil or any serums or oils that you like to use. That'll help with the shine. Okay, so now most of my hair is done, 75%, and it's nice and straight, but has tons of volume. Love it. Okay, so now we're on my last part. So for this, I do sections of this also, because all the wind is gonna be blowing in your face, and you want your bangs to come out good. So separate this in half and look all kinds of crazy, and put the bun in the front of your head. Like so. Okay, here we go. When I'm blow drying the top part of my hair, I like to do it on each side, left, right, and then blow drying down in front and then back also, because it gives extra volume to your hair, not just going with my normal part where my hair would naturally fall. Okay. And now you have nice volumized dry hair with a little bit of curl at the end. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you have any comments or any other questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll also put all the links to everything that I use. Please subscribe and also like the video and help support my channel so I can do a lot more videos. Thank you. Bye. But seriously, can we talk about how freaking hard that was to film a tutorial in the mirror and 500 angles? Thank you for putting up with all my crazy angles, and I'll find stuff. Till next time. Bye.